Excuse me, doll. Does this train go to Edinburgh?
No.
Thank God for that. Hey, Rob, this is it. Come on, son.
I'm all right, man.
Hey, listen, you all right?
I'm all right, Murray.
Sit
All right, Murray.
You want me to drop this? Oh, sharp.
Where's that chip, though?
No, thank you.
We've just had a good bucket, you know.
Do you drink yourself, though?
No, I certainly do not.
You should. It might unpucker your face a bit. Wow. I mean, Joe, just to keep the conversation going, you know. Why is he getting in white and gets you pissed?
I don't know.
I tell you, you're right. Tight-ass bunch you lot.
Come on, for God's sake, listen up, boys. Rab.
What?
Rab, give him a song.
Oh, Tom!
Oh, they get what?
I told you that one! No! The loveliness of Paris. Sing it, please. Timjo.
Rab, it's a Gestapo. Listen, what are we going to do?
Just sit there and look stupid. Kid on, you're a tourist.
Right, tickets.
Tickets, we are being from Sweden and that, no? We're just on the way to the gardening festival, sort of style. Is that right, Olaf?
Oh, right, Eckland.
Well, if you don't have tickets, you can walk to a garden festival.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, come on, trains is for them to pay their fares.
All right, I'm going. But I'll tell you just. I know every one of your faces. And from now on, I'm gonna ignore you on the street.
What must the real tourists think of us?
Shut up, market drafts. I'll tell you this. This is Rab C. Nesbitt farewell concert. All Bluter eyes is off. Come on. I'm gone. Poll tax. Come on. It was a like you buggers that voted her in, so hell men to lot you. Maggie!